I bought this guitar kit on eBay. It was an open box, so I got a great discount. With that in mind, my goal on this build is to keep the cost of the guitar as low as possible. To do that, I will use parts and materials I have on hand as much as possible. Let's see what's inside the box. This neck looks nice. The frets are dressed nicely. The body is made of poplar, a closed grain wood that should result in a smooth finish. Let's see if we have all the parts. I'm not worried if parts are missing. I have plenty of components from other projects. Copper foil to line the cavities is a quality touch. It helps to reduce induced noise. The controls are connected to the pickups and the output jack through color-coded connectors. This will make assembly a snap. This kit came with a cord. I didn't expect that. Nice touch. All the mounting hardware is here with the smaller items and numbered bags. So the real question is, does it all fit? Are the pre-drilled holes in the proper location? Let's test fit the whole guitar. I do this so that any problems can be addressed before I apply the finish. I start with the neck in the tuning machines. The tuner bushings are a bit sticky. Test fitting them will chase the threads. Next, let's assemble the neck pickup to the pick guard. You can see how handy the connector to the controls are. The pick guard holes seem to line up well. Next, let's attach the bridge pickup to the bridge, feed the pickup cable through to the control cavity and mount the bridge. The output jack is installed. I had to bend the lugs to get the jack to sit within the hole properly, aligning the screw holes. The control plate came pre-assembled, so all I have to do is connect the output jack and pickups to the appropriate connector. Note the ground wire being fed to a hole under the bridge. Black to black, red to red, and yellow to yellow. Easy. Time to attach the bridge. These screws seem a bit small for the hole size. I will replace them with a slightly larger size screw of the same length. Time to bolt the neck onto the body. I use a piece of scrap wood as a caul so the clamp won't mar the fingerboard or bridge plate. I will install the low E and high E strings to check the alignment of the neck. The neck fits firmly and straight with respect to the body. What do you think? Should I use a black pickguard instead of white? Should I give the neck a satin finish instead of gloss? Right now, I plan to make the body vintage white because that is what I have. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments.